Yo, so right now, I'm already halfway done with this shit, but I just put the camera out real quick because I thought about the fact that I should be recording this shit. We got fucking whole B58 gang out here, and then we got something crazy. I don't even know what this is, my fucking 330 CI. I don't know, bro. Something light. But basically, what we're doing today is we're fixing the scraping sound on the F30. I don't know if it happens on any other models, but it's pretty common on the F30 chassis for the e-brake cables to rub on the drive shaft when you do pulls, because it'll press the suspension down, and then it creates a really, really annoying sound. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys that sound, but if you know, you know. And I'm just gonna show y'all what we did to do it the cheap way, because everyone's doing it the right way. Let me show you. All right, we under the F30 right now. You can see that the brake cable right here is connected to those clips back there. I'm gonna see if I can, oh, I accidentally ended the video. But these brake clips right here, let's see. I don't know if you can see it clipped. Oh, there it goes, right there. So that clip holds those things in place. There's one on both sides. Right here too. You can see that this one broke. But since we zip tied it right here to this thing, you know what I'm saying? If you get under the car, you'll be able to see how I did this. I had put it through that hole right there, and then I zip tied it. This is like a 120-pound capacity zip tie. You know what I'm saying? Threw it on there real quick, cut it down. Yeah, it took like 5 minutes, bro. And then we finna just do the same thing up here to be safe, because I can tell that that one's finna go. But if you want to do it the right way, go on, I don't know, it's like ECU something. There's like something for this. There's like a better clip. I'll talk about it. Boom. Now we got the other side in there. Literally the same thing, just mirrored to this side, because I don't trust these BMW clips, boy. All right, so that's how you fix the clip on F30 chassis. That's how you fix the e-brake rubbing on the drive shaft. Real simple to do it the cheap way. If you want to do it the real way, there's a better clip made by a third party that's made with metal instead of plastic. It costs about 120 bucks. I'm gonna find the link and leave it in the description if you want to do it the right way. Otherwise, you can just go get zip tied somewhere. Also, follow for more. We finna be doing a lot with this BMW. So far, we got a couple things done. I went ahead on Facebook and I had picked up these carbon things, and then I got these little yellow things, but I'm gonna wrap it in some reflective shit to make it pop. I kind of got a whole plan that I don't think I want to tell y'all about yet. We got only one dent on the whole car. I didn't even notice until after I had bought it. Somebody did some cheap touch up on it. But a couple of y'all might be here from the Genesis. I had noticed that a couple of y'all left comments and told me to drop some more videos, but that one lemoned out. But it'll be a whole nother video for that one if you guys want me to tell you why the Genesis broke down and why I was in the shop for about 5 months. I could go through that whole story too. But now we got a new car, B58 gang. Yeah, subscribe.
True that I ain't blow up out the blue, I mapped it out. MOTIT, what I stand for, what I'm about. And my passion through these lyrics still ain't did no shit for clout. Ball up in my court, go ask them how they learn the routes. Took some time to get here.